Hey, hi. We're going to review this app called Deepstash. They have a website and actually they have an app also. Okay, I've kind of tried to sign up and I'm going to take you through what to expect and is it really worth it paying for this app? Can you really access it for free? Do they have promo codes and all that stuff? Okay, now for some of you who are wondering what this app is, this app actually they say it can help you become smarter by maybe spending at least 5 minutes a day. Okay, and how it works is during the installation of this app, it really asks you a lot of things what you want to do, books that you're interested. It's fine if you don't know the books that they will show you, you can skip, but at the end of the day, it try to first get to understand what do you want, what's your goal. For example, at the start, they will ask you like, do you want to increase your productivity? And in my case, this is something which I ticked on. Do you want to win at work? Do you want to build better habits? Do you want to earn more money? I believe most of you actually have to take on this. So as you take, you can even take all of them. Then you kind of continue. They'll ask you several things as you continue. The reason why they have to ask you is they want to know what kind of a person they're going to try to uplift, and they they want to send you the right information. So you take time to answer these questions very carefully. Okay. Now I did the sign up. We're gonna see if you can actually use this platform for free. I tried to sign up on their website, and I realized actually I couldn't find any free version. You have to pay. But some people are saying if you sign up with the app, you're actually given a free access of 1 week. We're going to see if that is true. If you sign up using an app, can you get 7 days free trial? Okay. So their prices are not that so bad, and it took time to read some of the comments. Some of the people are pissed off about the fact that they have to pay, but I understand also these guys have to make money. And so I installed this app. Okay. When I installed this app, it was actually a different experience because on the app, on the website, I didn't see anything like how your free trial works. But when I used the app, I could actually, and I landed on this. After answering the other questions, I landed on this. How your free trial works. Install Deepstash that I've done it. Try learning something new through bite-sized ideas. It takes like 5 minutes per day. You can actually even set more, but I think the minimum starts from 5 minutes. Trial reminder, they will remind you about your trial via notification. Day 7, trial ends. So if I start my trial today, 25, my trial ends on 2nd. So let me click on I'm ready and see what next. Okay. You get a reminder 2 days before your trial ends. So try for free. All right. So when they tell you try for free, try 7 days for free, then 2.33 per month, bill yearly at 27.99. Start your free trial. So let me click on start your free trial. And let's see what happens. Okay. When you click on start your free trial, they will actually prompt you to at least actually subscribe with a virtual card. Sorry, with a card. So what we're going to do is I'm going to try to put in my card and see actually how the app looks inside. Okay, some of these parts I'm going to try to hide it from you guys because I don't really want to expose my card. Okay, so I've added in my card and I'm going to try to subscribe for a free package. Let me click on subscribe and let's see how this app really looks. Okay, payment successful. I think let me try to enter another card which has some. Okay, I think my card has no money. And okay, so reading by the reviews about this app, I realize actually they have to charge you some of this money that they will have to refund you if you cancel before the trial. So someone said, don't forget to cancel your subscription after the short trial. Deepstack will not refund you. Many apps will refund you as long as you don't use the service after the trial ends, but not these guys. So if you don't intend really to pay, you have to cancel before the short trial. But what I think is most of the people who are really paid, they never really regretted it. Someone said, I don't know, I thought this is a great alternative. When scrolling, realize very quickly the amount of ads are ridiculous. If you're willing to pay the price, I'm sure it's fantastic. Unfortunately, I'm not. Of course, not everyone can be happy. Most of the bad reviews are things related to refunds. Denied refund because I didn't read 100 articles across 5 days to give the app a fair try. The app is buggy, I'm not spending 5 days and hours on time to less than optimize app. Yep. So what I believe is this app is actually really cool, but you can try to do your research. You can try to do a short trial, but make sure you kind of cancel if you don't intend to use the app. So if you use the app, you will be given that trial for 1 week. But if you sign up on a website, I realized actually I didn't see anything about the short trial if you use the website. So I think it's better to use the app. Okay. Generally, Deepstash can really try to help you and improve your skills and productivity. If you sign up, make sure you sign when you're doing the sign up, you choose the right books. Okay. Because this app, it has a good way of actually reminding you, not reminding you, but presenting you the ideas from those books in a kind of a cool way. And you'll be amazed at how you can be encouraged every day to be a better you. Okay. See you in the next video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.